पदये नमो नमः सहस्र पदये नमो नमः कुञ्जल पदये नमो नमः वल्ली पदये नमो नमः मल्ल पदये सहस्र पदये पदये नमो नमः विरुड पदये नमो नमः मयूर पदये नमो नमः बोध पदये नमो नमः वेद पदये नमो नमः पुराण पदये नमो नमः प्राण पदये भक्त पदये मुक्त पदये अगर पदये उगर पदये अगर पदये विगर पदये Nine seeds for the 9 planets, 9 types of seeds. Don't worry, I'm not giving you 9, I'm giving 9 types. Om, just wait. Dhanam, Dhanyam, Kalvi, Selvam, Aga, Tarvai, Muruga, Inda, Dhanyangal, Navagangalakko, Samarpayame. Om. ओम शनिदेव को यलुदानियम समर्पयामे ओम राको नंद समर्पयामे केतु कोल्लु समर्पयामे नवगण को नवदानिगल समर्पयामे 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 दुद ओम अनायनाय नमः अपर डायरेक्ट और ओम आदिपरा शक्ति देविये नमः ओम मुरुगाय नाय नमः ஓமாதிபராசக்தியே நன்னாளில் உம்முடைய மகனுடைய காவடியாட்டத்தை முன்னிட்டு இந்த தானியங்கள் சாமகிரி அன்புடன் சக்தி தேவிக்கு அபிஷேகிக்கு சமர்ப்பயாமே சமர்ப்பயாமே சமர்ப்பயாமே. ஓம் வேலுண்டு வினையில்லை முருகா போற்றி மயிலுண்டு பயமில்லை முருகா போற்றி குகனொன்று குறையில்லை முருகா போற்றி கந்தனுண்டு கவலை இல்லை முருகா போற்றி. வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்க முருகனுக்க முருகனுக்க. ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி. ஹர மகாதேவ ஹர हर महादेव. ओम अग्निदेवी को नैवेद्यम स्वाहा. ओम शक्ति देवी को नैवेद्यम स्वाहा. ओम रूढ़ कावड़ी आशस्ते मुन्नी तिग्मा नैवेद्यम स्वाहा. Sorry guys, you got prayer going here. Right. You offered water in the water after the ghee. Om Gangayana. Devotees palms together. Om Gangayana Sindhu. Gangayana Sindhu. Kaveri Godavari. नर्मदा पुण्यतीर्थम समर्पयामि समर्पयामि समर्पयामि। ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति। कर्पूरदिव कर्पूरदिव दूदिवाराधனை समर्पयामि। अरुட்पेரும் ஜோதி தனிப்பெரும் கருணை தனிப்பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதியாக எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனே போற்றி அரர
महादेवा
ओम अग्नि देवी अभव्य नमः। ओम शक्ति देवी नमः। ओम उमा देवी नमः। Bring your palms together, devotees. Repeat the word. Arul, Peram, Jodi, Tani, Peram, Karune, Tani, Peram, Karune, Arul, Peram, Jodi. Stand up. Stand up. Your hands over the plate, above your head, right to the ground. Dear devotees, we just concluded with our Obiyal assembly. We've done the Ganesha prayer. We did the Murugat Perumal prayer, Valli Devyani. Then we went to the Lingam. We are now finally ready for ask you to come in. But at this stage, I want to introduce our service group. They call Brothers in Music, led by K.C. Perumal. Vanakkam vanakkam varuvanga. You let me choose your instrument. Alright, give it out of the But with due respect to you tuning and arm chanting mantra, just touch across energy. When you create your energy, we like that as well. So now that we are ready to hand over to you, get your music right, get your instrument right, get your tuning right, and we will now ask you to take your place in offering this bhajans and kirtans. Dear devotees, please participate. If you know a song, if they say Muruga, Muruga, Vel Muruga, join them. I don't know why you're sitting here like you are mourning the loss of something. You're here to celebrate the wonder and the power of Muruga Perumal. Vel Muruganukku! Vel Muruganukku! Music. Again, let's give a round of applause and welcome them. We'll get ready for you, the old and the elderly, sick people in first and others will do maybe 2 rows at a time. We got a big crowd today.
எல்லோருக்கும் என்னோட உள்ளம் கலந்த வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். Ladies and gentlemen, and members of the temple, thank you very, very much for affording us this opportunity to sing this evening. And there are certain songs that I would want you to join us. So let's start. கனத்தோறும் தன்னை கை கூப்பி வருவாரே, கவனித்து துணை தருவாய் கணநாதனினாலும் நம்பிக்கை வைத்தவர்க்கு நாடும் வளர்த்திருக்கே தும்பிக்கையாம் துணை இருப்பாய் dear devotees, please join me in the introduction of the song. When I say Kandanakka Veer, you all will say Muruganakka Veer. Okay? Kandanakka Veer, Kandanakka Veer, Muruganakka Veer, Hey Muruga, Hey Muruga, Hey Muruga, Hey Muruga, Kandanakka Veer, Muruganakka Veer. நீர் கொண்ட தடமுடியோர் நெற்றி விழி இருந்தே சீர் கொன்ற சதமரத்தில் செங்கமலை இசை வளர்ந்தே கார்த்திகையின் முகை தோழும் கௌரிய முகை பாடும் உண்டோ திற கடலில் சென்று அசுர குழக்களை கொடுத்த தேவர் சிறுகளை விட்ட தெய்வ மரப்பிடி முழுந்த மூவர்களும் திருத்தனிலே முதுகிரிகள் அருசுடரே மூவர்களும் திருத்தனையில் முதுகிரிகள் அருசுடரே பக்தியாயான் முன்னே பல காலம் பக்தியாயான் முன்னே பல காலம் वायुदेव मगने आंजनेय अन्नवरासा हनुमान जय हनुमान जय हनुमान जय हनुमान राम जय हनुमान वायुदेव मगने आंजनेय अन्नवरासा
Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Dear devotees, have you got sound? You get? Dear devotees, we will shortly call the Agni Devi, and we're going to do that finished over Murikam, Tirupugar, rendition, and we will now get the Obiala family to come to the Yajna to conclude the final prayer. All rise, please. All rise. You got Murugan Allah, page 67. Kamala, start the center, what you do the okay. Vechivel Muruganike! But he's fully charged. I see the Tessie brother really gave you some masala power. Veeravel Muruganike! Thank you, devotees. Please be seated. Over to Jesse brothers. We're not going to take the chariot around because it's fixed on the side for the prayer later. We're going to go with the bird, with the Maya Yerbu and stuff like that. We'll still do one round around the temple.
தேவனிலே கொடுக்குமலை எந்த மலை குங்குமணி நாட்டிலே குளிர்ந்த மலை எந்த மலை தேடி வந்தோம் இல்லமெல்லாம் செழிக்கும் மலை எந்த மலை தேவாதி தேவையெல்லாம் தேடி வரும் மருதமலை
Another round of applause. What about that tabla players? The percussion. Give them a round of applause. Now, dear devotees, we come to that part of the prayer where we're going to ask Jyoti to address you. And what we're going to do, we're not going to offer your trays at the chariot. We decided we can do that tomorrow. All your trays will be offered here. And when you turn these sweets, we're going to have a bucket here. As I said, over the days of our prayer, you will not throw the sweets anywhere, not even go to the chariot. Once you turn, you offer them into the bucket. Later we can distribute that as prasad. Very well, Muruganika! Very well, Muruganika! Very well, Muruganika! Give our secretary Jyoti a round of applause.
Vanakkam, Namaste, Namaskaram, and all Salam to one and all of you. Salutations to God in all forms, but especially as Lord Muruga, the one whose celebration we are doing currently and the presiding deity in our Togo. On behalf of Guru Samandan Sarudesal and the Management Committee of Siva Subramani Togo, we warmly welcome you to this 13th day of our Chitra Padavam Kavadi Festival. Acknowledgements firstly to our Guru, Guru Samandan Sarudesal, for all the energy, the planning and the preparation you need for every day of this prayer functions, filled with divine blessings and spiritual vibrations. We truly appreciate every single effort you put into ensuring that all devotees get involved in all aspects of the prayer and actually leave our temple learning something from you. Vikkanandi Guru. To our Obeya, the sponsor for this evening, which is the family of the late Mr. G.I. Pillai. Today, we have the granddaughter, Mrs. Lakishka Chetty, and her family joining us for the prayer. And they are doing this prayer in the loving memory of Mr. G.I. Pillai and her mom, Mrs. Anusha Gavanda. For those of you who have been with this temple for many, many years, you will remember very fondly Uncle G.I., Auntie Mali, and her family. If it was this night, the day before public Kavadi, you would see every single member of their family here, and we will be decorating Kavadis, we'll be doing Uncle G.I.'s chariot, we will be doing his pins. It's a very nostalgic memory for me. And Lakishka was a little girl running around with all the Murli cousins, and I remember this very, very clearly. Today, she joins us as an adult with a mother of 3 children herself and Auntie Mali's family, and we must give her a round of applause for remembering her. I don't know where she's standing, but thank you, Lakishka. We really appreciate it. Uncle G.I. also must be mentioned for being instrumental as a builder. He not only served this temple from a very young boy together with Uncle Raju in terms of getting the chance and leading the Kavadi home, but he was also very instrumental in building this very new temple. He was a builder. He put his energy together with the Murli brothers, with Monty, building this temple, making sure that this temple now stands, this beautiful temple that we have is also an attribution to Uncle G.I. So his memory lives with us. And we will pray that Lord Muruga make sure that his soul attains moksha for all that he's done in terms of his seva for a lifetime to our humble temple, SSK. Thank you. Let's give him a hand. To the service group, the brothers in music, I don't know who's the brothers here, but I know Basil and Tracy. All of you. Okay, so everybody's the brothers, but thank you, Kiesi, Kirma, Basil, and to Nelson, Antio. I know all of you, even some of us joined in. Thank you, Selvan, our home group, Otta boy. Thank you. You brought it home. Okay? So we really appreciate you bringing the spiritual vibrations, Muruga's vibrations. He's the youngest, okay. So he's joined your group, and we're very, very happy that you brought it together tonight in this combination of Muruga's 13th day. And we wish you all the best and hope you will come back to SSK with your divine vibrations in the very near future. Let's give them another round of applause. Awesome. Then to our committee, right from the chairman, the vice chairman, this is Mr. Yulian Murli, Mr. Kenny Nasya. I want to spend a few moments to thank our wonderful committee. They have toiled hard in preparing for this function, in making sure they're here every day, in making sure that everything is perfect, and we have really outdid ourselves. So I want us all, as the committee, to give ourselves a round of applause. I'm not saying this in any boastful way. It's taken a lot of effort, it's taken a lot of sacrifice on the time of our members to make sure that they're here every day. And I just want to let them know that we appreciate every single one of you in the management committee, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Now if I'll just move to the logistics in terms of decorating of kavadis. That should be done by now, but if you haven't, then please let your kavadi be lined up there tonight. Tonight we will be doing the blessing after we finish tonight's function, before it can be set up for tomorrow's walk to Jabra School. Just a reminder, in terms of the start time, it will be at 6:45 sharp. I urge you to please come early, be on time, so that you can listen to the instructions from our guru in terms of how we will be proceeding to the grounds, what we will be doing in the grounds, and how we'll be proceeding back to the temple. I also make a plea for you to please follow the marshal's instructions. We have to follow in terms of the marshals, in terms of Anesh, are you the marshal coordinator? So if you are a marshal, please see Anesh. We're looking for more volunteers. But to the devotees, please follow the marshal's rules and regulations as they are here to keep us safe and to bring the kavadi back home safely. Then in terms of your own logistics, please remember to bring your brass chumbos or whatever chumbos you are going to be used to carrying your kavadi. I know that some devotees do forget this, so it's just a gentle reminder. And when you return to the temple, I know that it's usually a huge rush at the gate. Please be patient. Please know that there is a procedure that we follow, and that we do allow every single one of you to come into the temple and to offer your milk on Muruga. So we will do this as fast as possible without inconveniencing you for too long. I also urge you to please undecorate your kavadi, to take your kavadi and to make sure that you take the flowers home with you. I also want to thank the team of devotees that came this morning with your knives and potato peelers. You certainly made our lives easier. The vegetable cleaning went well with more than 20 devotees here, and we want to thank you. So let's give them a round of applause. The next thing I want to make an appeal is for devotees to assist us tomorrow with the dishing of the biryani in terms of catering when we come back from the ground. It's going to be a rush. We want to make sure we are efficient as usual, so if we have more devotees helping us, and we have teams of people who are able to dish as fast as possible, we'll be able to do this quite quickly. Then in terms of marshals, as I mentioned already, please see Anesh Singh, and he'll be coordinating the effort in terms of what is required. So at this point, I have completed all of my announcements, and I thank you all for your attention over this past 13 days, and we have one more day to go, and it's Lord Muruga's biggest celebration, so let's enjoy the day. I now hand you over to Yasinta Pillay, who will be taking us through some of her announcements. Thank you, Yasinta.
Thank you, Jyoti. Devotees, I just want to say a few, or I want to make a few requests for tomorrow. Firstly, on the grounds, I am part of the youth committee, and as much as I would love to say I have a lot of youth behind me, a lot of them live far away. As much as they are part of my youth committee, on my WhatsApp group, they live quite far away. So for the youth committee that are here with me, I don't have a lot of hands, so I would really appreciate it if some of our devotees would join me tomorrow at the grounds. If I call for you to help with the Abhishekam, if I call to help with the pattas, I don't know if you all know, but we put pattas on all the devotees. If I need your help, please come forward, don't be shy. I will give you instructions. I will tell you exactly when I need your help. So please, I would really appreciate everyone's help. Even if you're not the youth and you want to help me, please come through. I will announce for it, okay? Besides that, I just want to say thank you to all our youth. Please give yourselves a hand up. You have really helped through this discovery, and I really want to see the future of this temple go into the hands of the youth, because I really see that in the future. And you again can see it with me. So yeah, it's going to really explode next year and the years to come. Well, today we don't have a discourse. We actually, we had Jasmine Pillay, but she's not feeling well. But her little brother Yeshe is here, and Guru and him are going to do a little tutorial. So it's going to be a little bit interactive today. Tomorrow we're going to be walking on the road. We're going to be at the grounds, and Guru's going to say, he's going to prompt us. And Yeshe is so good. He's our little mascot. He knows exactly what to say when Guru does prompt us. So he's going to come and give us some examples. Come, Yeshe.
Muruga, Sative Muruga, you are my shining star. Masavera Muruga, Muruga, Muruga,
So this is the youth we want to see, and we want to encourage. So thank you everyone for coming tonight, and we'll see everyone tomorrow. Don't forget, 6:45 tomorrow morning. Thank you everyone.
And thank you for the little inspirational song. That is the motivation. That is the inspiration. And that is what we all as parents and grandparents should be doing to our children and grandparents. Let's give their parents and their grandparents a round of applause. Our time is marching on. We got an early start tomorrow. Very quickly, just 3 things. Eugen just advised me together with Kenny, who's our vice chairman, and Eugen is our chairman, that they went, remember I said yesterday, we're not going right down Kisun Road because there's some sewer water running. There is a new makeup of South Africa now. I think everywhere there's a new waterfall feature that they decided to bring in. So there's some sewer water running at the bottom end of Kisun Road. And I said to you yesterday, we're not going to go right down, we're going to turn right into Jang Bahadur Road. But Kenny advises me now, there's also a little bit of sewer water running there. We're going to do a little bit of hot rod, climb on the curb a little bit, and we have to do the same with the chariots, and then avoid that sewer water and then go to the ground. Coming back, we're going to do the same thing. I know the chariots will be charged with their chant, but we're going to form a barricade with our marshal so they don't, because it's messy water. We don't want the Radham to go in the messy water. We don't want devotees to walk. We don't want them carrying the kavli and grain on a desecrated patch of water. So we're going to try our best to avoid that, come on the curb again, and then come into the temple premises. Again, as Jacinta said, I know we all in a hurry to get to see Muruga. Please don't bump one another, don't overtake, right? Don't rush. Take your time, come into the boat of Muruga with love, with patience, and tolerance. Okay? The second thing is that when we get to the temple, you will be allowed to pour the one vessel of milk with Muruga, on Muruga, Vali Devyani, the other one you will take to drink. Even the Palpadam, you will drop some, you will take some people dry fast, so you can use that to break your fast. Right. Remember, there's going to be red tape held by the marshal. You don't have red tape in the temple, you don't have red tape. But the red tape is going to be held by the marshal. The rule, the law is, you as devotees who are considered pedestrian have to be inside of the red tape. Remember, Eugen had to apply on behalf of SSK. So he carries the indemnity for all of you as the chairman, and we don't want him to get in any trouble. So all devotees must be inside of the red tape. Remember, we are on public road. Remember, some motorists are just so uncaring, they purposely just rush past us. So we don't want any casualties, we don't want any incidents or accidents. So all must stay inside the red tape so that we can come into the temple safely. Kenny has just told me as well, in terms of weather prediction, there's going to be some rain. So carry your hoodies, carry umbrellas, and carry some raincoats so you could cover yourself should the heavens open and Mariam decides to visit his son as well, Shaktivar. Okay, now when we come back as well, okay, we made place for the trance to go to the corner. Can it to go to the corner? Yeah, we don't want them milling here because it obstructs the kavlis from going and competing thereafter. Alright? And then obviously lunch will be served at the far end where we did Ganga Parangi. Yeah. It will be closed off, one round and into the temple, do your milk offering and back to the on. Alright. Sweets, as I said, no throwing on Muruga, no darting on Muruga. You offer that into the bucket that will be placed next to the chariot. We don't want later to pick up. We don't have chant, that's food. That's food. Put in the bucket, we can distribute it as prasad later. Right. They're going to do about 2 more songs. While they do that, Goviarat family is going to do the Dibarani. Then all of you, all together, will touch one another We'll turn and we'll conclude with another window. Do you all want to do Kathy? Another window? You all will do. Alright. So 2 more songs, but if you're running into overtime, we'll ask for 1 more, but for now 2 more songs. And again, give them a round of applause.
என்னப்பனே என்னையனே கந்தப்பனே கந்தகாரோயனே என்னப்பனே
all of you stand together like we did throughout the week. But before you come to the Kavadi, you can take your seat, you can turn it around the flagpole and put it into the bucket. Where's the bucket, glasses? The bucket is next to the kavadi. You can stand it on the kavadi and offer it into the bucket. And Jodi after stone is ready. Jodi after stone is ready for another request.
Inside.
Thank you. சிவபெருமான் புத்தன் பந்தையல்லவோ பார்வதி அம்மா உம்மாயல்லவோ யோகியத்தை காணம் வடிவேலவா வடிவேலென்ற தூரையே
Dear devotees, what is Mr. Nandri? Another round of applause. Mr. Nandri, Bhagavati Sandosham. We are satisfied, we are happy, and we feel elevated and ready for the marathon tomorrow. Okay? Dear devotees, what are we going to do? The trays without sweets, we're going to move to the table. Oh, before I forget, Vinayakam told me I'm going to collect it on the day of Karma. So What's wrong? Okay, there was a tray stored in the fridge. I thought by now it would have gone frozen. Okay, it's not. So, you collect it, okay. The tray is without the sweets, you're going to leave it on the side. Please make sure that you take your tray. We're not playing musical trays, but sometimes in error we pick up a wrong tray. And when they come, Guru, I can't find my tray. So make sure you look at your tray twice, pick your tray, and you can serve the prasad. We won't go into your tray and start removing the prasad. The tray with the sweets will be here, so you can identify your sweet, carry it around the chariot, and offer it into the green bucket that's at the chariot. Alright? So all of you could line up like we usually do. All of you come to turn the Divatana. Whoever wants to sit can sit. Whoever wants to come and join you, welcome. Come. And we're going to get ready for another Hindu Jasna. Yeah. Move the train. Come here. Unlike, sorry, can we have your attention? Unlike you would expect, you find that the milk seals have not been removed. The reason is that we remove it and you cover it with a blue cloth. It's not going to stay in the bottle, it will go all over your packet and your tray will be in Palabhishekam. Right? So therefore it's skewed, the lid is skewed. The proverbs nearly right. You have to send it in as well. That's why we don't open it. But one guy asked, how Muruga going to drink it? I said, don't drink it, not Muruga. It's blessed to take it over there like a prasad. So we are ready? Right. Can we do this? Who brought sweets? Can you come forward first? Who brought sweets? Who got sweets on your tray? Come forward. Who got sweets on your tray? Come forward. Who got sweets? Come forward. All of you will hold now. They will return. We'll send the sweets and then you'll come around the platform. Whoever got sweets come first. And then your sweets to the chariot and you the bucket. Now the chariot goes up. That means we thank you for the food. Yangal, Budal, Satiko, Nandri, meaning thank you for the strength. Yangalukku, Noyatra, Varvam, Kurevatra, Selvamam, Taruvayaga. Give us a good health and keep the food on the table and keep our job. Indru, Munave, Tayarita, Karangalukku, Nandri, Nandri, Nandri. Thank you for the hands that prepared the food. Obayalar, Kudumattarukku, Nandri, Nandri, Nandri. Thank you to the VM family. All say Muruga, Suni, Muruga, Suni, Suni, Suni. Om Svati Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, dear devotees. Supper is being served at the back. Please have supper. Travel safe home. Tomorrow at 6:45, you have a date with Lord Muruga. Please assemble on time.